Organizations have rules in order to constrain people from behaving in unfair, harmful, or illegal ways. But is rule breaking actually rewarded rather than prohibited in organizations? By studying data across 6 seasons in the National Hockey League, researchers found that coaches actually play rule breakers more often than rule-abiding players, at least until rule breaking causes extreme liabilities for the team. Professional sports have specific and codified rules, and breaking them has been found to decrease a team's chance of winning. Nevertheless, hockey players who violate official game regulations and are penalized for doing so are actually rewarded by coaches with additional playing time in future games. The research contends that this occurs because coaches perceive rule breakers as highly committed to their teams, meaning they will go above and beyond what is expected of them, a form of tenacity that is valued. Fortunately, there are boundaries to the findings. Coaches tend to dial back their rewards for rule breakers once they represent a more significant liability, or if the team is on a winning streak versus a losing streak, and in playoff games versus regular season games. Also, if the team or player avoids breaking the rules generally, managers do not reward rule breakers in the same way. Wonder when rule breakers get preferential treatment? If so, you may want to read this paper.